Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful and equally delicious raspberry meringue tarts decorated with chocolate flamingos. So let's get started. First, you're going to have to make mini tart shells. You can find a full tutorial with the recipe on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. And I'm going to fill these with scrumptious raspberry curd. Recipe is also on my blog. First, we're going to fill mini tart shells with raspberry curd. Then you can stick these in the fridge. They can take a little nap while we are working on flamingos. So I melted some pink chocolate and I'm piping large amounts of chocolate onto the parchment. Then take a small spatula and make the wing. I'm also going to make smaller wings. You just have to pipe a smaller amount of chocolate, and then I'm going to stick this into the fridge for the chocolate to harden. And now we're going to pipe a neck in the shape of a question mark. So I'm just gonna pipe a thick line like so. And while the chocolate is wet, take a toothpick and shape the head. Then we're gonna stick this into the fridge for the chocolate to harden. To make the flamingo, I'm going to glue large wing on the neck, like so, using a little bit of chocolate, and then also add a smaller wing. Once the chocolate hardens, take dry luster dust. I'm using pink luster dust and a dry paintbrush and brush the chocolate. It adds a really nice shimmer to the whole design. I'm also going to use what's called jewel dust, and I'm going to add that to the smaller wing. Right, so here is the luster, not luster, that's jewel dust. You can see how sparkly it is. Don't forget to add details with white chocolate, and I'm using also some dark chocolate, and shape the chocolate while it's still wet. Let's not forget the eye, and then we can stick these in the fridge until you are ready to use them. I'm going to make Swiss meringue, so I'm going to whisk egg whites, granulated sugar, salt and lemon juice over a pot with simmering water until all of the sugar is dissolved. Then you can attach candy thermometer and bring the mixture to 170 degrees of Fahrenheit. Then you can take it off the heat and beat it until soft peaks are formed. Add your food colorings and extracts, and we're going to beat it until stiff peaks are formed. Now I fitted my piping bag with a large star tip 1M, and then I filled it with meringue. We're going to pipe a swirl onto the tarts. If you make a mistake, simply scrape off the swirl and start over. For added shine or sparkle, I'm adding also glitter jewel dust. It's edible jewel dust, it's not an actual craft glitter. Then we can attach chocolate flamingos, and our beautiful raspberry meringue tarts are ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to visit my blog for all the recipes, tips and tricks. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.